Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't see the bald eagle on it either.
It probably got released.
Maybe, or he's sleeping. Let's go see those other bald eagles, though.
My favorite ones so far are the Pittsburgh Falcons.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at this guy. Wow, look at that, huh? Wow, it's neat to see these up close. Gus Ted and Tahoe.
Blue jays used to be my favorite birds, but now parakeets are. They took over.
That's cool. Wow.
But I still like blue jays a little bit.
He's stretching his wings.
That one is smaller than the other one, I think.
Huh. Oh, that was really neat. He just flew and I missed it. Whoops. Oh, this is cool.
Oh, the blue jay.
That's cool.
Oh my gosh, there's a seagull down there and it pecked at the blue jay.
That's cool seeing them up close.
I think that's a mourning dove down there.
Wow, look how close they get.
She's going behind there. I looked away from her, that dude just gone, and then he just popped out.
Hey, yo, cool dude.
There's a lot of blue jays in here.
There is.
I think the bigger birds keep scaring the smaller birds away.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I am going to record this on Snapchat.
There you go. Oh, look at that. Nice. Sure.
That was cool.
Wow.
I dumped it to the seagull. Yeah, do it. I gave it to the seagull. Yeah, give it all. The seagull has a disability. You see the black wing, the black feather on the back. He should have two of those, but he only has one. So therefore, on that feather is very important. So he can't fly.
Wonder what the pigeon eats. You think the pigeon eats this stuff?
Have another black tail feather. He can't.
I didn't think a blue jay would ever come this close.
Well, he could fly. He just can't control it.
Realistically. What's in here?
Dump it.
Or just birds, maybe.
He's looking at you.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That one is?
Yeah. He's cleaning his beak so he can have some more.
Yeah,
Look at that.
Really wants it. Look at that. Look at
Wow.
those eyes, Mabel.
What?
Oh, they're cheating.
That's awesome. Have you ever been this close to a blue jay?
No.
Oh. Yummy.
Come on, Mabel.
Its tongue. One fell.
Sure.
One fell out of the
Look,
cup.
Mabel, look at him. You saw him. Mabel, we go it this way.
Mabel, this is the back way.
Is there still more in there?
To get
Mabel,
out.
we go it this way. Yeah. I
Because.
don't know. We're supposed to.
Look how happy he is.
Yeah, Mabel, look how happy he is now. See, it's a good thing. Good thing, yes. See, it was such a good thing for you to do that, maybe.
No.
I totally did not make you do that. And anyway,
On me. He can't. He can't. Why? I'm not talking about him. I don't care about him.
I like the surviving guy, but he his taste.
Oh, the poor seagull. What the heck does he eat?
Maybe the ground.
The ground. He eats the ground.
Or maybe he wants to eat that blue jay.
You want some ground for breakfast? No, you wouldn't eat a blue jay.
But he was pecking at the blue jay earlier.
He was?
Yeah.
He's like, mine. We got this guy's kind of looking at you. Yeah, let's see if he comes back. Probably will. Here, come over here. What if we come right into the middle? Yeah, put it right here.
No, wait, there's a lot of blue jays in here. There's only like one seagull and one chicken. Look at the pigeon. He's just.
Tap that. Tap that a little bit. If that does anything.
What if we fed the eagle them ones came?
I'll feed the eagle your finger.
No.
Alright, they may not come back. I'm going to save some video for next, whatever we do next. What's this guy? What is that? Holy cow. What is that? Is that... What is that? Is that... That's not a cardinal, is it?
It's not. I forgot what they're called.
Wow. I didn't even see him in there.
That seagull was trying to attack that chicken.
What a jerk.
Yeah, he's like a beard.
Ah. Alright, you want to go check out the rest of the place here?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay.
Because this blue jay was looking right down at the food.
Alright, maybe one more blue jay. Yeah, he's looking. Here it comes. Just wait. Be patient. Yeah, if they look over here. He's looking. Keeps looking.
Like, see the seagull? Oh, the chicken. Poor thing. Just gets picked on all the time.
Right? Alright.